Question 16a part 5. Implement a new rule, rule 5, so that scores increase by 5 points if the password contains at least one digit. So this is considered to be any integer in the range 0 to 9. And that covers all the digits, because you've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and once you go into the next number, which is 10, that's made up of 1 and a 0, which you've already got in the range of digits 0 to 9. So when the program is run, the output may look as follows. You can see here when we enter in a number, the score increases by 5 on the last solution we had, which was 13 plus 5. So how do we do this? Well, if we jump across here to a code, and we start to get the kind of sense of what's happening here. We've had this lowercase letters has represented all the lowercase letters, and basically when we iterated through the password, so each time we iterated through, so for example, let's say our password, just for argument's sake, our password was bingo. Just say it was bingo. So the first time, character would be B. So the first character for character in password, so it iterated through it. The first time it would be B. If B is in lowercase letters, yes it is, then that would change to true. And it'll keep iterating around, and it only needs to happen once, where one of the characters is lowercase for that to happen. Of course, if we did something like this, now the uppercase would change to true, and that being so on and so forth. But we've nothing to account for digits. So up above here, I'm going to start off by creating a variable to store all the digits that you can have. So a variable to store all possible digits. And digits, so that'll be like, you've got your 0 ... up to 9. It'd be nice to throw in an 8 there and throw in a 1 as well. Yeah, so you've got all the way kind of up as far as 0 to 9. So I'm going to call this, keeping the same kind of convention so far. Lowercase letters was all the higher uppercase, here uppercase, so I'm going to go with digits being all uppercase. And in here now, this is we're going to initialize digits to a string variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so that's the first bit done, and then we're going to iterate through our password that we take in, iterate through it, and check basically if each character in the password is a digit. So down below here, for specific characters, which would be digits there. So we have another if statement in here. If character in digits, so if that is the case, we're going to change, and we need something else here as well. We need to absence of lowercase and uppercase letters in password. Let's see, the presence or absence. And I need to update that as well. Down below here we'll say variable digits, we'll keep this one small, indicate the presence or absence of digits in the password, or digit characters in the password. Because it's a string, these digits are going to be in string of string type. So digits, and we'll initialize it to false, which of course will indicate then that we'll change to true if the password contains a digit. Right, so now that we've that done, now we're back in here to our for loop, and as we said there, each time we iterate through here, and if one of them is a digit, we're basically going to change our digits boolean type to true. Okay, so that's that done stuff, and of course we need to Now go down and do rule 5. So rule 5 basically is going to say, right, if digits, so of course digits initially will be false, and if that never changes, you will never execute the block of code that is in in belonging to that particular if. But if digits becomes true, you will execute this block of code, and you're going to increase the score by, I think it's 5. Let's see here, by 5 points, yeah. So let's test it out with our 3 sunshine. And in the next video I'll do debugging of this just to make sure we're fully understanding of it. So into the password 3 sunshine, and hopefully we get a score of 18, and super.